Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2010 Toyota Tundra. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Explore this rugged Toyota Tundra, the adventure-loving, full-size pickup with impressive towing and hauling capabilities and a smooth, refined ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls. Feel confident about the project in this capable Tundra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.